guys is alas 8 po ng gabi dito guys. Iyon, really dark guys. It's getting really dark now because it's alas 8 ng gabi po. Ayan. Punta po tayo sa shop guys para bumili po tayo ng tinapay ng buhay. Sana guys, kumain na po kayo. Sana po happy po kayo. Sana po you are thinking positive and don't think negative guys. And be strong. Kasi maganda yung view niya paggabi. Ang ganda ng view. Ang ganda ng view at saka nandito yung public bus guys. Yan. Public bus going to Eldwick. Going to pass by Cuttingley, pass by Bingley. Ayun guys. Mga magagandang houses dito guys. Ayun. Bibili po tayo ng tinapay. Kasi naubusan na po tayo ng tinapay. Ayun guys, ang ganda niya guys. Sobrang ganda. We are going to GHS Nisa Local. Ayan guys. Ayan. Grabe yung cake nila guys. Oh, ayun. This cake. Oh, wow. Sobrang sarap. Masarap. Oh God. Coca-Cola. Oh, ganda naman. Coca-Cola. Ayan guys. Ito po, local po to guys. Local shop. Bye bye guys. Take care. Ayun guys, bili po tayo nito. Isa Hovis Seeden.